Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see question number 2. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm are drawn. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So here let us draw two concentric circles. For example, this is the circle 1 and this is the circle 2. So here, okay. So here let us take two circles whose center is common. That is called, those are called concentric circles. So here we need to find the length of the chord of the larger circle. Here you see, if you draw the chord like this, it will be the chord. But the condition is that this chord should touches the smaller circle. So here we can draw the chord like this, but for this particular question, this kind of chord cannot be drawn. So here, this is not the suitable chord for this question. Then which is the suitable chord? You have to draw a chord for the larger circle that should touch the smaller circle. So here, let us draw a chord like this, or like this, or like this, or here slant, however you want, you can write. So here I am drawing in this way, right? So here let us label it as AB. AB is a chord of the larger circle where it touches the smaller circle at a point, that is, I am taking it as C. If you understand carefully, AB is the chord for the larger circle and AB intersects the smaller circle at only one point. That is why we can say AB is the tangent for the smaller circle. Is it clear? AB is the chord for the larger circle and the same AB is tangent for the smaller circle, because here it touches the circle, smaller circle at only one point, that is C. So it can be called as point of contact now. So here let us draw, let us write what is given here. Before that, let us read the question. Radii, whose radii? The first one, bigger one's radii is 5 cm. Radius also it can be drawn however you want, but here according to our solution, better you draw. Here let us join either OA or OB. Here I join OA. So here I join OA. So here OA is 5 cm. Clear? And radius of the smaller circle is 3 cm. For the smaller circle also you can join wherever you want, but according to this question, let us join OC. Here OC is the radius for the smaller circle. So this is 3 cm. As we know, angle at C is 90 degrees, right? So let us write here the given data. Here given two circles, two concentric circles with radii 5 cm and 3 cm. So here clearly we can write it as OA is equal to 5 cm and OC is equal to 3 cm. And a chord AB is drawn. A chord AB is drawn for the larger circle, right, which intersects the smaller circle at C, at a point C. Clear? So here we can say that then AB is, that implies AB will be a tangent to the smaller circle. Clear? So where C is called point of contact. point of contact. Here you observe. We know that the angle between the radius and the tangent is 90 degrees. Before that we write what to find here? Find the length of the chord. So here let us write to find. Here to find the length of the chord. That means here AB. AB is the question mark for us. Right. Here if we observe carefully, what is the angle at C here? 90 degrees. Let us start solution from there. So we can write that clearly angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Since here I write the reason, the angle between radius and tangent at point of contact is 90 degrees, based on which we can say angle C is 90 degrees. Now clearly which kind of triangle OCA? It is a right angle triangle. So here from triangle OCA, angle C is 90 degrees. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Since it is a right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem can be applied. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can say hypotenuse square, or we can say square of hypotenuse is OA square. OA square is equal to sum of the, means here plus, squares of the other two sides. If OA is hypotenuse, other two sides are OC and AC. So here I am writing OC square plus AC square. Let us substitute the values. OA is already known, it is 5. So let us substitute here. This is 5 square equal to OC is 3. So it is 3 square plus AC square we do not know. Let us write as it is. So here we can write 5 square as 25. Let us send this 3 square is 9. Let us send this 9 this side. 25 minus 9 is 16. So 16 is equal to AC square. 16 can be written as 4 square. 4 square equal to AC square. On taking square roots, AC is equal to 4 centimeter. So finally we got here AC as 4 centimeter. But the required question is that we need AB. We do not want AC, we want AB. Means we are in need of AB. With the help of AC only, AB can be found. Now let us see here what is the relationship between AC and AB. Here you see we are going to learn a relation between AC and AB so that we can find AB. Right. Now here, what is O? O is the center of the circles. Especially it is the center of the circle for the larger circle. You take larger circle. O is the center of the larger circle. Of course it is the center for both. Now at this point I would like to tell you a relation between AC and AB. For this you take O as the center of the larger circle. So here I am drawing here once again. Okay, here O is the center of the larger circle. And here what is AB? AB is chord. And here what is the angle at C? Angle at C is 90 degrees. Right. That means here you understand a line. Which kind of line? Perpendicular line. Perpendicular line drawn from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. Here you see AB is a chord. This is perpendicular line. So here we can write that we know that perpendicular line drawn from the center to a chord, comma, bisects the chord. We can write bisects it. That means here this point is bisecting point, in which we can say AC is equal to CB. Bisecting means what? That is the midpoint. So we can say AC is equal to CB. AC is equal to CB. But already you know AC has 4 centimeter. So CB also will be 4 centimeter. Clear? So here I am writing AC as 4 centimeter, CB is also 4 centimeter. Now what is AB? Now let us write here. Now AB can be written as AC plus CB. AC plus CB. Here you know AC as 4 centimeter plus CB as also 4 centimeter. 4 plus 4 is 8. Therefore AB, that is the length of the chord AB, we got here as 8 centimeter. Let us see the question once again. Here you see what to find. Find the length of the chord. So you can write here that therefore the length of the chord, that is AB, is 8 centimeter is the final answer. With this problem 2 gets completed.